The driver's side visor in my brother's 2009 Hyundai Sonata broke off. And now there's a huge hole left. But as you can see, this clips right into there, and then there are two screws that screw straight into there. Me and my dad cut the wire and put a wire cap on it just to make sure that everything is safe once I 3D print a new cap. And now taking the visor inside of my house. Right now I am measuring and 3D printing the new cap for my brother's car. "3D printing is a very delicate process, and you have to be very careful while doing it, because if you mess something up, it's very hard to fix it." And now, returning to the car with my new 3D printed piece. And trying to push it into place. It doesn't fit perfectly because of the wire in the way. So I'm just going to push the wire out of the way in the area that it wasn't being put in properly. And then slip it in there and push it in. And now I put in two screws. But these are just a little too large. And as you can see, I did cut them. So I do have these smaller ones that I'm going to put in instead, just to make sure it fits. And because I don't have the exact screws that I need, I decided to fill in the screw holes with molding glue and then screw the smaller screws in so they would fit, and then put molding glue around the edges just to seal everything off. And I could fill in the hole with molding glue that's the same color as the headliner, but my brother doesn't really care about seeing the screws, so I don't need to do that. But anyway, after 2 hours of work, everything worked out great. And if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.